it.
I think I could use a break. What do y'all think? Guess I'll take that as a yes.
Nice day for a drive.
Wish I was doing more than just driving.
Just passing through.
Head south. Little vacation.
You know what? You need those. If you're ever back this way again, you should stop by for longer.
Oh yeah? A lot going on around here?
More than you think. This town will surprise you.
Where are we at again?
Bowling Green, Kentucky. If you had time, you should check out our festival downtown.
Bowling Green.
That's it. You know, we're more than just a town in between Nashville and Louisville. Anyway, hope to see you back.
Might just do that.
Have a good vacation, man.
Hey, appreciate you, man.
So apparently, there's a big festival going on downtown. At least that's what the guy at the pump next to us told me.
What do you think? Do we have time?
We could always use a little side quest. We're not really in a hurry.
You up for an adventure?
I guess so. Whatever.
They're fine, I guess.
Come on, you need to let yourself have fun.
I just want to go. It's fine.
So I heard there's a pretty big cave system nearby.
What? Can we please stay and go tomorrow?
What do you think, Mom?
I mean, we're in no hurry, right?
Yes!
That sound like fun, Mel? Well, guess we better grab a hotel.
Let's go, Melody. You got this. You can do this.
You
Let's
can
go.
do it,
Come on, girl. You got this.
Just let yourself have fun.
It's not a big deal. You got it. Come on, honey.
Ooh, that was a good one.
Mom, I'm glad that we stopped.
Me too. Me too.
It's the moments in between that matter most. Discover your in-between moments in Bowling Green, Kentucky.